Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today will be an unboxing, not a vlog. So I got this from my cousin's white elephant. It's an Instax Share SP2, color gray I believe. But what you could do here is use these Instax films, these mini ones that you could get on Best Buy or Amazon. Put them in here and then you can use your phone. You could print out the photos on your gallery, your camera roll, and even Instagram. And I heard from watching some other videos on YouTube that you could also print out how many likes and how many comments you have on your photos from Instagram. So I'll do a quick unboxing, not a big video, but yeah, so this is the opening. Open it right here. So it comes with instructions. Let's take that out. Pretty sure you're not interested in that. And right here we have the silver Instax Share Fujifilm, and it looks like this. It's this size. I'll put this in the link in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing this. Push right here and it opens up if you put the film in here. So let me do that real quick. And while I open this, I want to let you guys know that I've actually been wanting to have this for a while. I would get the regular Polaroid that a lot of people have that like Urban Outfitters sells. I think that's like 60 bucks. But then there's photos on my phone and even my computer that I really want to share with other people. So I thought like, why not have like a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Polaroid kind of thing that I could print out my photos. And that's why I really wanted it on White Elephant. And if you guys haven't watched my video yet, I have a video of going to my cousin's house and having the white elephant in my vlog number 20. So check that out if you haven't yet. It's about like 9 minutes long. Alright, so I got the film out. And you make sure that the Instax Mini shows first in front. And then you just place it like that. And bam. I think I do need to charge this before using it. But I just wanted to show you in a quick unboxing. What else comes in this box is a micro USB to charge it, and what is this? A battery. And that's about it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching, and if you purchase this, leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Alright, catch you soon YouTube. Oh, and I guess just some more quick information before I end this video. This retails for, I believe, $99. On Amazon, and where is this? And the film is about, I think, 13 for 20 pieces, so that's about 65 cents per. But if you buy like, maybe there's like a 60 pack that you can find on Amazon for like $37, that brings it down to even more. But I guess I would say this is kind of an expensive hobby if you're interested in printing a lot of photos, but overall I think it'll be really cute. And catch you guys next time.
Never know a feeling like this. Pure bliss, pure bliss. Nobody can tear us apart.